welcome to a brand new episode of For the Love of Food. And as our quest for food and travel continues, we're at the Beach Luxury Hotel today, which is one of the most oldest places in Karachi. And the reason why we're at the Beach Luxury Hotel today is because of its very famous traditional seafood.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very well. Munawar Saab is the chef at the Beach Luxury Hotel of the most famous Casbah restaurant. What are we cooking today?
Today, I'm going to give you our fresh, great lobsters, which is very famous for our restaurant. I plan to give you a good, big.
I hope it's not alive,
fresh.
Is it?
No, it's not alive, but it is fresh.
Right. So how fresh is it?
Everyday catch. We get every day fresh. इसका गोश्त आपको white नजर आएगा. It means that this is fresh. So whenever you go to the market, you want to buy
I know
lobster.
how to buy the right
Yes.
lobster.
And
right.
the same goes with the prawns also.
Prawns,
you
right.
see the flesh.
If the meat's white, that
yes,
means it's fresh.
Yes. You can see how fresh they are. How
Okay.
fresh. You see the color of the
Right.
meat. आप pomfret
It's
का
chosen
color
everyday
देखें.
basis,
Yes.
right?
Every day यही हमारे restaurant की secret है. And seafood हमेशा fresh खाना चाहिए.
Right. I'm really excited. Let's see what Munawar Saab does first. So, what are we cooking first?
Well, today हम जो है शुरू करेंगे lobster के साथ.
Sahi.
जैसे मैंने आपको बताया
Right.
कि ये हमारा lobster है.
And you'll be cutting it
बड़ी
first.
टांगे हैं. And then I will show you how to cut this lobster.
Right.
इसको हम ऐसे पकड़ते हैं, इसको हम half करते हैं. And then इसका हम head को भी we cut like this. ये आप देखें ये इसका fresh है. आप देखें कितना सफेद है.
As it's white, it's
है.
fresh. Right.
And this is अच्छा. And then of course we have to get it washed and everything.
While Mr. Munawar is gone to tell his chef to clear off the lobster, we'll be talking about the ingredients with Mr.
Yes.
Munawar. Okay.
About
So tell me about your secret barbecue sauce.
We have a barbecue sauce which is for every barbecue we are using it, and that is our secret.
And you use it for all your seafood?
Yes, all
Okay.
seafood, and that is our secret sauce. I want to show you the ingredients.
Sure.
इसमें हम soya sauce, vinegar, white pepper, salt, oil, black pepper, whole black pepper, tomato sauce, long, clove,
Right.
lemon juice, red chili, onion,
Right.
ginger
Right.
paste. इसको हम पहले मिक्स करके पकाते हैं.
Right.
That I cannot make now,
Right.
but we have already
You've already
ready
prepared it
here.
for us.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is our that secret sauce, which gives the meat, fish meat,
Okay.
that taste.
The taste,
That's beautiful
yes.
aroma, and really you will lick your fingers.
So here we are at the seeing the secret barbecue recipe, which gives the oomph to the food that everyone loves in here.